everyone, welcome to my new video. I remember a few of my followers asked me if I'm not Chinese, can I wear traditional Chinese clothes? Yes, of course. No matter where are you from, you're welcome to wear traditional Chinese clothes. And there are a lot of different kinds of traditional Chinese clothes. Each dynasty has each style, so there are a lot of different styles. So this video was recorded at Tiger Convention. I was hosting a traditional Chinese hanfu panel. So at my panel, a lot of people had this experience to try on traditional Chinese dress. Did you guys check out the video how to wear hanfu? I published that video first, especially for this video, because the traditional Chinese clothing is still recovering. So I want to mention that the one-piece dress is traditional hanfu, and the one come with two pieces, front and back, that is a modified hanfu. So on the market, most brands sell two pieces. So I just want to mention this. Let's start this video.
I love it. It's so pretty, and I love how it feels. And it feels so like angelic.
I'm into this kind of stuff because I've done like a lot of research on China and South Korea, and I find like their cultures and their designs like very, very intriguing.
I really love this style, and I plan on, after I graduate from school, I plan on trying to visit China and Japan, stuff like that, to get a taste of their food and like clothing, stuff like that. So I'm kind of very happy I'm wearing this today.
I really like mine. It's really comfortable and it's kind of airy, so you're not gonna get like too hot. And I don't know, I like it. It's comfortable and roomy.
So pretty and really, really comfortable. It's lightweight and soft, and it just feel like a princess.
That's the true test. If you feel like a princess, it's a win, right?
I like it because it's feminine and it's comfortable, and I think I could fight on it like Wonder Woman at the same time. So that's really awesome.
You like this video. So hanfu suit for a lot of sizes. You can see from this video our height is different, but my hanfus fit a lot of people. So all my hanfus are size medium to large. So the size of hanfu is also depends on your height, because my legs are really long. So I usually wear a large on the skirt part, but the top part I usually wear size M. Bye bye, I'll see you in next video soon.